How to use Remini app. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Go to your Play Store and then search for Remini app. This is the app you would be looking for. Simply install the application. After you have installed it, simply launch. Give permission of medias and camera. After that, you just have to upload your picture and select how you want it to be enhanced and changed. After that, your edited or enhanced picture will be ready and you can easily download it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.